DOM ready JavaScript series, we will learn how can we check DOM fully loaded. In the app.js, write two consoles, before and second console is after. You can see here before and after console. Now write the function DOM ready equal to arrow function, receive callback function, then document add event listener, DOM content loaded, call that callback function if document.ready state equal to interactive or document.ready state equal to completed. In that case, callback function execute. After that, write another function DOM loaded. Inside the function, we write some code. That code we execute after DOM loaded. Then call DOM ready function. Inside the DOM.ready, call DOM loaded. Let's see the result. We can see here before console and after console printed before DOM loaded. That's mean this code and this code execute before DOM ready. Once DOM is ready, in that case, at the end DOM loaded function execute and this message printed after that two consoles. I hope you like this video. Until next video, goodbye.